New brand. Some of the new holiday sets are here. Peach and Lily is a very good brand. I especially love this cleanser. It's awesome. Very good cleanser. They always do one of these Drunk Elephant Littles. Very good toner here. Here we have our Origins brand. I've tried several of their things. They're okay. The ginseng in this one would be my favorite. I haven't tried this bubble brand yet. Interesting. And here's another nice good kit. My favorite right here. Another favorite. It's $95 value. Tula is another brand that I've been loving. The J'adore line that I've never tried. Picking on those bottles. This is that lure that I need to try. This Lake and Sky brand is pretty nice, but I'm really feeling this one. The 1111 Azure, that's my favorite out of these three. This one would be my second favorite, and this regular 1111, I did not care for that one.